I am Chef Kalel Chan, one of the chef ambassadors of Doña Elena. Now I'm gonna teach you how to cook seafood paella Valenciana. Paella is an easy dish to prepare, full of flavors and fresh ingredients. For our ingredients, we have hard-boiled egg, red and green bell pepper, diced chicken, shrimp, mussels, Spanish chorizo, chopped red onions, chicken stock with paella seasoning, clams, white fish, and Spanish paprika. And for our main ingredients, we have bomba rice, Doña Elena diced tomato, Doña Elena white wine. For sautéing, we have Doña Elena pure olive oil. And to make our dish extra special, we'll drizzle it with Doña Elena extra virgin olive oil. To make our paella stock, let's start with some chicken broth. And we will be adding paella seasoning with saffron. Just mix and let it simmer. For every 6 cups of broth, use 1 sachet of seasoning. While we're simmering the stock, let's get our paellanera and heat it up and coat it with our Doña Elena pure olive oil. Doña Elena pure olive oil is good for sautéing and for everyday use. Sauté the onions. And tomatoes until everything is caramelized. Season with a little bit salt and pepper. Now that our tomatoes and onions are caramelized, let's add our diced chicken and make sure to sear it properly. And it's time to add our Spanish chorizo and let the fat render. Let's add the paella bomba rice. Tapos let's toast the bomba rice for a minute. So para magkaroon siya ng nutty flavor. And let's deglaze it with Doña Elena white wine. Tapos once the white wine has reduced, let's add our chicken broth with paella mix with saffron. Let's put some seafood flavor in our paella by adding shrimp, mussels, clams, and last but not the least, white fish. Then let's cover our paella and let the seafood steam. Season our paella with pimenton dulce on top. For our finishing touches, let's add our red bell pepper and green bell pepper. Then our hard-boiled eggs. Lemons. And to beautify our dish, let's add some microgreens on top and edible flowers. To finish the dish, let's drizzle some Doña Elena extra virgin olive oil on top. And here's our seafood paella Valenciana. For more recipes, please follow us on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram.